Hello and welcome back. So for today, my project is to go ahead and repaint the inner barrels of the wheels because they're all cruddy and nasty. That's what they look like, and you can like see some of the plasti dip that is left from this. So I'm gonna go through and spray that a silverish color, and the paint I have for it is kind of what it looks like compared to the front, which if it doesn't match, it doesn't really matter. I just really want to clean these up so that they actually like shine and look nice. So we're back in the garage. I got all my supplies over here. So we're gonna be using this silver paint. I don't have a clear coat for it, so it's just gonna have to be the paint. It should be fine though. Some tape and drape, some tape, knives, scissors. Go ahead and like use some Dawn soap and water to kind of scrub that off, like the dirt and everything first, and then I'll start going at it with all of this. The first thing, we're gonna jack the car up front to back, pull the wheels off, and then lay them over here. And then I'm gonna go up and get some water and everything and then start scrubbing them down and try to get them as clean as we can. So we are finally done. This is what they look like. They definitely look a lot cleaner. Thank you for watching. The car looks really good on this camera. It looks like really dark green. But oh, if you're wondering, that's a swampland green plasti dip. So pretty cool. And stay tuned for the other one where I do the black. So.